So the main way we suggest taking care of the canoes is to make sure that there's no weight in the bottom of the canoe when it's sitting on the ground like this. We suggest that you load it completely into the lake, then put your packs in, and then hop in as the last thing you do. So I recommend coming somewhere in the vicinity of the back seat of the canoe and facing the front. And then I just do like a little cartwheel motion to get the correct hand on either side. If you go straight down, you're gonna end up picking it up onto your shoulders like that. You'll know pretty quickly that you did something wrong. So once you've got the cartwheel down, you're gonna want thumbs inside the canoe, not on the outside. And then you're gonna bring it up onto the tops of your legs. Do a little rock for momentum, up like that. And then from here, someone else in your group can either jump underneath the yoke, or you can walk it forward yourself, lower it onto your shoulders, and then you just need a little bit of force to lift it off the ground. If you push too hard, it's gonna swing down and hit the ground behind you. And then to set it down, you just do the same thing in reverse. So put the nose down gently, lift it off, walk it back to the seat, and set it on the ground.
The Slice from PBS North.